I'm sharing with you 6 Halloween treats. You will love these. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Molly. Thanks so much for being here. I love sharing my recipes with you, so make sure you subscribe if you're new. This video is going to be so fun. I have been in the Halloween spirit and making all kinds of Halloween treats. So let me share with you these 6 Halloween treats that you will love. I'm going to be making a jello treat, and this is going to look like a candy corn. So I have a layer of yellow jello. You can use, this is pineapple, or you can use lemon jello. I'm gonna let this set up in the refrigerator for 4 hours. And now I'm going to add on the orange layer of jello. And this is just regular orange. They're both sugar-free. I just love sugar-free jello. It's such a great snack. So once this sets up for 4 hours, I am going to put some sprinkles on, but I'm first going to top each of these with some whipped cream, and this is gonna make it look so much like a little candy corn. These are so cute. They are a huge hit. Anything jello related is a big hit in our house, but I just love how much these look like a little candy corn and so festive for the Halloween time. Put a little sprinkles on, and these are so cute. Huge hit. My kids love these, and I love that I use sugar-free jello and it's not a lot of extra jello, or not a lot of extra sugar. I'm adding on my baking mat onto my cookie sheet, and I'm going to make some pretzels. I'm going to add on some chocolate and a candy corn to make these nice and festive. So I have some Rolos that I will place on top of each pretzel. I have my oven preheated to 250 degrees, so not super hot. And once these all have some chocolate on them, I will put them in the oven for about 5 to 6 minutes, get that chocolate nice and melty and warm, and I will press down with a little candy corn and make these nice and festive. These are so easy. Huge hit with the salty pretzel and then the savory chocolate, making it very festive with the candy corn. These are so easy and so yummy also. So I'm going to be doing, I have my yellow cake mix, and this is a sugar-free version. You can use whatever your favorite cake mix is, but these are going to be some cake mix cookies. So I have 3 eggs, I have half a cup of vegetable oil, and this is going to be, it's just a really easy version of how to make cookies. I love making cookies with cake mix boxes. I have lots of videos actually with cake mix box hacks because I love them. They're so easy. So giving this a big stir. Once this is all mixed together, I'm going to add in, I'm going to be using my candy corn again because I just think it's so festive for Halloween. So I have my candy corn. I'm going to do a half a cup of the candy corns, mix this right into this cookie batter, and I'm going to do half a cup also of these white chocolate chips. These are really yummy. So adding that in, give it a nice little mix. And cake mix cookies are so easy, but they're really yummy. They are nice and soft and sweet, and they're always a huge hit. Every time I make a version of cake mix cookies, I always get compliments on them, and people are always asking for the recipe, and they're so simple. So I'm going to roll these into a little ball. I use my little cookie scoop so that they're all about the same size. And I like to roll it into a smooth ball to give it nice and smooth edges when it cooks. So these don't flatten out a ton, but they definitely do flatten out a little bit. So I like to make them nice and smooth and the same size as well. So I'm going to roll all these up. My oven is preheating to 350 degrees. These cook super quick, about 11 minutes for these to cook, and then they're ready to go. These are such a huge hit. Really like have the sweetness with the candy. I'm going to do some caramel apple bites. So I have my apples and cut into little pieces, and I'm going to add on some caramel syrup. This is such an awesome way to do caramel apples. Way less messy because you could just grab one piece at a time. So adding on my caramel, you can add on melted chocolate as well. I'm going to do some mini chocolate chips, and I love these. They're just so fun. They're so cute. Mini chocolate chips, and I have mini marshmallows. These are so cute as well, but these are mini marshmallows, not the small ones, but just mini. I'm going to add on some Reese's Pieces because I just love how festive they are with the orange and the yellow. So good, so easy as well. So I'm going to be doing another cake mix cookie hack, and this one is going to be with my Reese's Pieces because I just think they're so festive. So I have 2 eggs with my cake mix. I'm going to add these in, and so easy, basically 3 ingredients, and then you can add in any extras that you want. Like I'm going to add in some cookies or some Reese's Pieces for these cookies, and so you can add in lots of different extras. So the base is basically the same, the cake mix, the eggs, and the oil, and then you can add in your extras as well. I have my Reese's Pieces, and I'm going to use half a cup. You can do a little bit more if you'd like, up to a cup if you would like. I'm going to mix this around, and I love this batter. It's nice and thick, easy to work with. So I have my baking mat, and my oven again is preheated to 350 degrees, and these are just easy, quick. They take about 11 minutes to cook, and they are delicious. Huge hit. When my kids come home from school and they see that I've made a batch of cake mix box cookies, they are always very excited. So I only like to let them have one at a time usually. So I like to mix it up, and they can have one, and then the rest go to our friends and family. But these are so fun, festive for Halloween time. If you have a party to go to for Halloween, these are a really awesome thing to bring or to take to anywhere, to your work or to school. These are just a really fun and easy thing to bring around the Halloween holiday. So super good. They come out so delicious. I'm going to do one more cake mix box cookie mix, and this is going to be with spice cake mix. And I'm going to use 1 egg in this one because I'm going to be adding in some pumpkin. This is pure pumpkin, not pumpkin pie filling, but I have 1 can of pumpkin, and anything pumpkin, definitely festive for the holiday and for Halloween. So this is super easy, basically 3 ingredients. I am going to add in some mini chocolate chips to this one, or you can add in regular chocolate chips as well if you'd like. Or you can keep these plain and not add in any extra chocolate chips if you would like. But these are really good, so easy. I really actually like these with some coffee in the morning. These are really good just because the pumpkin and the pumpkin spice flavoring are really good with some coffee, but also really good with some milk as well as a yummy dessert. I hope you loved these Halloween treats. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're new, and I will see you all in my next video.